6 o'clock. Welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea, where we do quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. Tonight,
the guinea pig tries it.
And the guinea pig tries it. That's right. Tonight we're doing chicken pot pie. You want to tell them who you are?
I'm Kylie, one of the mini guineas.
That's my oldest daughter, Kylie. She's 9 years old. She's going to be 10 in December.
Big number.
Big number. But all right, let's talk about what we got going on here. Let's get to cooking. So we have our pie crust, refrigerated pie crust, ready to go. I have a couple of cups of chicken right here.
Isn't this supposed to be for dessert?
No, you can make any kind of pie with that. And then I have some potatoes and carrots. Now, this one's for the kids, okay? Because look, this is real life stuff. I cook for my whole family, and the kids don't like onions. So the first pie I have that's got onions, but this one doesn't. I have some frozen peas and frozen corn. I have some flour, and then I got some spices. I have pepper, salt, and some thyme, okay? And then I have some chicken broth and some milk. So we're gonna get all this stuff going now. So let's get going. All right, so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna put the carrots and the potatoes in a pot here, and I'm going to top it with water, okay, just to cover the potatoes and the carrots. These carrots and potatoes are coming to a boil, okay? And once this comes to a boil, I'm gonna lower the heat. I'm gonna cover this with my cover, and I'm gonna cook this for about 10 minutes. This other pan, I'm gonna get the mixture ready to go. Now, I'll explain it as I go along, but normally what I would do is when I throw in the butter, I would throw the onions in too. But since I'm not doing onions, because the kids are gonna eat the second pie, I'm not gonna do onions. I'm not putting the onions in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop this heat now, it's boiling. I'm gonna let that cook, okay, until those are nice and soft and ready to go. It smells good, right? So the first one is baking away. All right, we can shut that, kiddo. Thank you. So the first one's baking away. We are good to go. Now you use a good amount of butter with chicken pot pie. So I got a nice chunk of butter in there that I'm gonna use. Again, I would throw my onions in once it starts to melt up a little bit. I would normally throw the onions in, but I'm not doing onions because again, this pie is for the kids and they don't like the onions. All right, so this butter's looking good. I'm gonna wait till that's nice and melted. I'm gonna add the flour. But what I'm gonna do in the meantime while we're doing that is I'm gonna get one of these pie crusts out. And these are two, these come in two. And these just roll out. Okay, so just sort of rolling this out here. I'm gonna lay that flat. Just cover the bottom. Okay, just kind of lay that flat there. So I'm gonna throw my flour in now, okay, with the spices. Okay, so I got my thyme, my pepper, and my salt. Okay, and we'll just sort of get this in here, mix it all in. Okay, and once this is mixed in nice, okay, so that becomes like a nice sort of brownish, let me show you guys here. Nice sort of brownish thickening agent here. See that? Okay, just butter and flour. It smells delicious too, right, babe?
Yeah.
It smells awesome. The broth. Slowly add the broth. Mix it in. Okay. The milk. So this I'm gonna bring to a boil now, okay? And I'm gonna stir this pretty consistently here, all right? Until it gets nice and thick. Okay, I'm gonna drain these. It's time to add it all. So we're gonna add that, the peas and carrots. Okay, and those are frozen. My chicken. Okay, so the chicken, guys, I already cooked. I cooked it earlier this afternoon. Okay, so it's already cooked and cut and cubed. Let me show you what we got there. Okay, so we're gonna mix that all in. Okay, so remove it from the heat, mix this all in, and that's where you get the nice thick mixture here. All right, so now we got our pie here, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead and empty the chicken mixture. Big, you're in for a treat.
I love that crust.
So now I got my other pie crust. Roll this sucker out. Okay, just sort of dump that over. Just give it a little trim first, just on the sides where I need it here a little bit. Just sort of fold this over as best you can here.
You gotta make sure you get the bottom in there, or else you won't go.
Listen, do you want to cook this? I'd be happy
I'm just
if
saying,
you
the bottom-
if you cooked for me. I'd be happy for this. Yeah. Did you wash your hands?
I don't know.
Well, wash your hands. Listen,
You did
listen.
it wrong.
No.
Don't you know how to do this?
Listen. Yeah.
You know how to do that?
Yeah.
Why weren't you doing it?
Because I was folding it over first, and then I was going to pitch it together.
But it's not connected.
It's totally connected. Look, it's totally fine. Do what you want.
No, I don't actually need the roll.
No, don't eat the rolled dough. So now we're okay. Now I do the little pinch. Hold on, I'll show you the pinch. You just take. Oh, you did this part. Just take your two fingers here, your thumb and your pointer, and your pointer on this one. You just sort of push one in, right in between the two. You know what I mean? All right, so I'm gonna throw this in. Look, here we go. Little chicken pot pie, loaded. You take a little knife there, and you just sort of slit 1, 2, so the steam can escape. Okay, so you just make a couple slits there, all right? And I'm baking it at 425. Alexa, 35-minute timer. Let's go see what we got. Okay. Woo-hoo. Oh, look at the size of this guy.
Look, see? Your pot pie came out on the bottom.
It's only because I scooped it
No.
bad.
No, because the bottom didn't come up above the lip. The bottom has to come up above the lip.
Listen, do me a favor. How does it taste? It's all I want from you. I don't want cooking lessons. I just want to know how it tastes. All right, look, let's see what happens here. Going for 2.
The inside needs a little salt. That's why I'm adding a little cheese. I was like a little bit more salt. I'm gonna 2 thumbs up.
Oh, yeah, all right. See that? When you get it, when you have a crazy day like this, it's okay. Because you can cook and you can eat and it can all be better. Comfort food.
Hi!
So that's it, guys. Look, it's that's chicken pot pie. I'm out of here. I will see you guys tomorrow. Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. Finish it fast.
Even in the kitchen, take care, guys. See you next time.
Even in the kitchen. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow.